Hello there, this is John V, Software Evangelist at Jscape, and today we're going to teach you how to set up an SFT reverse proxy using Jscape MFT Gateway 4.1. An SFTP reverse proxy adds another layer of security to SFTP services. In addition to SFTP's ability to encrypt data in transit and provide two-factor authentication, an SFTP reverse proxy brings in several other security-related benefits, such as hiding user credentials and also hiding identities of your internal servers. An SFTP reverse proxy can be easy to set up using Jscape MFT Gateway 4.1, and we'll show you how to do it in this video. So, assuming you already have an SFTP server running perhaps in your internal network, and that server is reachable from your MFT Gateway instance, you'll only need 3 simple steps to set up an SFTP reverse proxy in Jscape MFT Gateway. So the first step is to add a reverse proxy service. To add an SFTP service, just go to the Services module and then click the Add button. The second step is to select the SFTP protocol. So when you click that Add button, that should bring up the Proxy Service Protocol window, and just expand the Client Protocol drop-down list and select SFTP/SSH. Notice that there are also several other protocols in there, so you have HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, SMTP, and so on and so forth. So once you're done selecting that, you can just leave the server protocol drop-down list as is and then click OK. The third and final step is to specify the SFTP reverse proxy parameters. So the parameters you need to specify for now include the following. So you need to specify the local host and port number. So this is just the listening IP address and port number of the SFTP service on your Jscape MFT Gateway instance. So for now, let's just select 0.0.0.0 for our IP address. This means that MFT Gateway will be listening on all network interfaces on this particular server. And let's just leave the port number to 22, which is the default port number for SFTP. And then for the remote host, we enter here the IP address of our remote SFTP server, typically the SFTP server in your internal network. And perhaps if you just use the default port numbers and just leave the port number to 22 here. As soon as you're done, just click the Add Start button to add and start the service. And if everything goes well, you should be back at your main screen where you'll see your newly created SFTP reverse proxy service. That's it. Now you know how to set up an SFTP reverse proxy service using MFT Gateway 4.1.